Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. I do need severely a haircut and 2 days worth of growth. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Well, Merry Christmas to everyone. This is probably going to be a late video uploaded, and it may not actually get loaded until Sunday morning. So this could be the Sunday morning shave as well. Stick around to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you what one of these stands look like. And let's see, what do we want to talk about? The shave soap for today is going to be by Phoenix, and this is the Christmas Island. Have you guys used this soap? Oh yeah. It is a frankincense and myrrh. It's also got some bay rum smell to it, so that's pretty nice. I do have it whipped up in my stainless steel bowl here, and it is nice and lathery. It's got a little bit of the wiggle. Should I call that the Subi wiggle? Oh yes, and I'm going to be using the Merkur 34C, and this is a two-piece razor to where you just loosen this knob up and the top cap comes right off. I will be using a Astra green blade, and this is going to be a second use blade out of this package. Sorry for looking down and speaking. I know that's terrible. As I do it again. I'm going to load that blade right up on there. This is a mild razor, and that is the shave that I'm going for today. Nice and smooth. Oh yeah. Blade alignment looks excellent. And I'm going to pull a Mr. Rogers. Welcome to my neighborhood, and I will be right back. Welcome back. I'm back. I'm going to be using the Evil Cube for the pre-shave today. I just didn't want to get all that shave soap all over my nice flannel jacket. Shirt. Not jacket, shirt. And this soap, I did use a 1/4 teaspoon. And let's see here, what did I use? 14 milliliters of water. I'm using the Semouge Boar brush. Gonna warm up the razor here. How did your Christmas go? Was it festive? Family and friends? Mowing right through it, like always. Very mild. Compared to some of my other razors, I know that I could probably get away with multiple passes, but I'm only going to do the 2-pass shave as usual. And a little update on the last shave video that I had. I did get a little bit of razor burn right into there on the lower portion. And that could be from a couple things. I would say it would probably went with not having enough soap with the aggressiveness of that razor. So, user error on my part. Plenty of residual slickness there. Let's get lathered up for my second pass. This is a nice scent for the soap, but I will say it's not my favorite soap. And if I exhausted this tub, would I buy it again? It's questionable. I can't say for 100%. Let's take a look at what we have left on the brush. And there's quite a bit. Oh yeah, that's nice. If you were to guess, let's play a little guessing game here. If I said, boom, lather, whose channel would I be talking about? Comment below and let me know. Let's go across the grain. Well, we had our Christmas ham and our family get together today. Everybody got to share gifts and all that fun stuff. One of the gifts that I got my son was a Game Changer, the 0.68 solid bar, and he was very surprised. He couldn't wait to go shave with it. Can you imagine that? Now, I haven't used this soap since last year, but it did really well. And you can see there's soap everywhere, because that's the way I love to shave. I don't know if you can see my shirt. Nope, you can't see it. Anyway, my wife made these shirts, and on my shirt it says, most likely to drink all of the Christmas spirits. And that's right. I'll be right back. Off camera, I did a cold water rinse, followed up with a large ice cube, and now I'm going to apply the matching splash. This splash, along with the soap, has been marinating for over a year now, and whew, beauty. That's nice. I don't know if you can see it in there, but there are some little bay leaves. And you know what completes a shave? That's right, a little star jelly. I will be reaching for the Frostbite. Come on, menthol. There you guys go. What a nice Christmas shave. I'm glad you stuck around to watch the video. And if you haven't already liked or subscribed, please do that now. I'll also put a little picture here of everything I used. And I know you've all been waiting to see my stands that I made with my 3D printer. So, it's a little tough to get it out of there. But here you go. Here's one of the stands that I did. And it fits 5. And they just kind of pop out there. Just pull these out real quick. Do you got time? I got time. Alright, so here's what it looks like. It's got a little base and they sit there in an angle, and there's 5 of them, and you can just stack them how you like. And that's what I've got. My cabinet wasn't really supposed to hold that many, so. And I do have another variation of some stands. If you want to see them, I'll show them to you real quick. Well, here's one of them. It's just an individual one, and the razor just sits in there like that. You may see that in the shave of the day photos, and I have 4 different variations of that, but I like that one because I made the hole a little bit bigger here, so it does fit the larger handles. But the downside is if the handle is smaller on this one, it wants to kind of sit in there, you know. So if you're reaching in and you got several of these lined up, it can become dominoes. All right, well, there you go. My little stand. A couple people asked about it, and I just wanted to share that with you. So I don't know if I said it already, but I'll say it again. Merry Christmas to everyone, and I will see you on Will It Shave Wednesday. Have a great rest of your weekend.